This is Josh Soy from the Ridge Tool Company, and this is video number 6 in the CS1000 training series. In this video I'm going to talk a little bit more about reporting and get into some more of the advanced features of the reporting tools in here. As we reviewed in one of the earlier videos, the easiest way to bring up your report browser is to hit the folder key on your control pad and then scroll down to the bottom and click on Browse Reports. You'll see that we have 4 different reports built into this one. When we get into exporting later on, you'll see why you have these checked along the left side. But the easiest way is if you fill out customer information and the name of the job, you'll see that it's very easy to see what job it was. It gives you the date and time, and then the customer information and then the name. So if we want to go ahead and open one of these up, we'll open up the office floor one. It will bring up your report viewer here with all the media on it. And as we talked about earlier, I don't really want the pictures of the floor of my office, so we'll go ahead and uncheck those, and that means that those will be removed from the report. So you can exclude everything you don't want the customer to see on the report. And then if you scroll all the way to the top on your report viewer, you have a section that has all of the text on the report. You can fill out job information. It's got job name. ID is a identifying or a unique identifier that you might use inside of your company or maybe in your accounting software or something like that. You can fill in the purpose or the type of inspection. Customer information, you have first name, last name, company, email address. All of these are relevant fields to fill out. Just depends on how much detail you need. Inspector information will show up on the report if you want your details to be in there, and contact information so the customer can get a hold of you very quickly. Postcode, business phone. The job address, sometimes you're doing inspections for a property owner or something, so the customer would actually be the property owner and the job address would be somewhere different. But those are just your basic address fields that you can fill out for that. So we'll scroll down through that, and then the job results just gives you more details in the summary. Now, one of the things people are concerned with is these are sort of small fields to type in the summary, but as you type, you can actually hit the return button, and that widens that field, so you can type out a very long description of the summary as well as the recommended actions. And when you're done with all of that, you can go down there and save it, and all that information will be stored with that report. And as you've seen before, you can actually go and scroll down and preview that report right inside of the tool. Now, it's not exactly what the customer will see, but as far as the information, it's exactly everything that will be on there. But the formatting and appearance should be very, very close in the report that you go and export. Now, when you import these into CSnake HQ, which comes along with the CS1000, or if you import it into Rigid Connect, there's a little bit of different formatting with those too, but it does import all the information that you filled out on here. So you can see all your details, the sessions that we filled out, and the snapshots, pictures that we have in there. So that's a quick summary of what you can do in the reporting and the information that you would fill out on there. For the next section, it's an important one, is how you export the information from your CS1000. There's 2 different ways to do it, so it's a very important video for you to watch. For more information on the full line of Rigid products, visit the Rigid Forum at www.rigidforum.com. Here you'll find over 30,000 industry professionals who give reviews, answer questions, discuss tips and tricks, and just general information. If you scroll down, you'll find a section called Rigid Central, where all the products that have been launched in the last 2 years have a specific section where you can go in there and find information and discuss the products and even ask questions to the Rigid staff.